Welcome to session 3, Operating System, Windows. In this session, we will cover Windows overview, desktop and interfaces, file management and control panel setting. Let's begin with an overview of what an operating system does and what Windows is so widely used. An operating system or OS is the core software that manages your computer hardware like the CPU, memory and storage. It acts as a bridge between you, the users, and the physical component of the computer. Windows provides a graphical interface that makes interacting with the computer easy even for non-technical users. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating systems. The latest version, Windows 10 and Windows 11, are widely used for both personal and professional tasks. Now let's look at the Windows desktop interface. This is what you see when you first start the computer. The taskbar is usually located at the bottom. It shows running application, system icons like Wi-Fi and battery, and includes the start button. Next is icons. Icons on the desktop are small pictures representing files, folders or applications. Double clicking on them opens the corresponding item. And last is start menu. It is accessed by clicking the Windows logo. It gives you quick access to application settings, documents and power options like shutdown or restarts. This is the taskbar. This is start button and this is the folders. This is taskbar, Wi-Fi, battery. This is start button, power button, restart, shutdown. And last is icons. This is the icons. Next is navigating the file explorer. To manage your files and folders, you use File Explorer. It helps you browse, access and organize files stored on your computer. On the left-hand panel, you will see a list of drives and common folders like desktop, downloads and documents. The right-hand panel displays the content of the selected folders. You can double clicking on any folder to open it and use the top bar to navigate back and forth. This is the taskbar. The button is back forward and up button. Navigation panel. List of drive. Here we can see the list of drives and common folders like desktop, downloads and documents, pictures. Next is search box. This is the folders, this files, recent files. You can open, view, share, home is the tabs within the ribbons. Here, this is the navigation panel. This is the task, address bar, search box, back forward button. This is folders. Next is file management. Now let's talk about file management, a basic but essential skill. To create a new file or folder, just right click anywhere in File Explorer or on the desktop, the choose new and select what you want to create. To rename, right click the item and select rename. Type the new name and press the enter. To copy and paste, right click on a file, choose copy, go to the destination, right click again and choose paste. You can also use shortcuts like Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Next slide. Create, right click, next new, next folder. New folder is created. Practically, you can see it practically. Right click, new folder, created a folder. Here we can also create the new folder. Next is rename. How to rename the folder name? Right click, select, right click, rename option. You can see, and you can rename the name. Next is copy. Select, right click, copy, and also here use to copy and Ctrl C to use copy. So copy the folder here. You can paste the folder. Paste. We can also use Ctrl V to paste. Next is using recycle bin. In Windows, when you delete a file, it does not disappear immediately. It goes to the recycle bin. This is a safety feature that lets you recover accidentally deleted files. To restore a file, open the recycle bin, right click the file and select restore. If you are sure you no longer need the file, you can empty the recycle bin, which will permanently delete all its contents. See. Recycle bin icon, recycle bin, file, restore. This is the folder. We can delete the folders. Open recycle bin. Folder is here. New folder. Delete a folder. Restore this folder. Here is the folder. Next is control panel setting. The control panel or the setting app in Windows 10 and 11 allows you to customize how your system behaves. You can change the date and time, adjust the screen resolution, set a wallpaper and much more. Under date and time, you can set your time zone or switch to a 24-hour clock. Under display setting, you can change the screen brightness, enable night or set a new desktop background. Here, system, display sounds, power battery, accounts, sign in, create account privacy, Windows backup, time language, you can set your time zone, change a language, etc. Accessibility, text size, magnifier, narrator, settings. You can see time and language, date and time. Here we can change and set time zone. Next is a system, display brightness setting, night light, accessibility, text size, magnifier, narrator, visual effects. Last is accounts. You can create an account, change your password. Passwords. Windows backup and accessibility. Narrator reads text aloud from the screen and magnifier zooms into screen areas. These settings help